Welcome to Wellstar Aviation. Etihad Airways Engineering has announced the addition of Airbus A350 maintenance capabilities to its extensive in-house portfolio. The Abu Dhabi-based carrier now has the capability to provide maintenance, repairs and overhaul services. Etihad Airways Engineering state-of-the-art facility, it is the largest maintenance, repair and overhaul service provider in the Middle East, meaning they are bigger than Qatar and Emirates. Located adjacent to Abu Dhabi International Airport, aircraft hangars at the facility cover approximately 60,000 square meters and including 10,000 square meters of aircraft painting facility and a custom-designed hangar that can accommodate up to 3 Airbus A380 aircraft simultaneously. The company has successfully completed maintenance projects over the years for airlines across the world. The first A350 aircraft to arrive for maintenance in Abu Dhabi will be Latam Airlines, which is the leading airline group in Latin America. Latam is the long-term client for Etihad. The aircraft will undergo a rigorous heavy maintenance check and the modifications as part of its routine maintenance program. The C-check will be followed by a full stripping painting of the aircraft in Latam's livery. The airline group is due to send additional A350 aircraft scheduled for maintenance in Abu Dhabi during the year. Latam became the first airline in South and North America to operate A350. It operates currently 9 A350-900 and 4 are also on order. They also have 14 A350-1000 on order. Etihad Airways Engineering is part of Airbus Independent Maintenance Repair Overhaul Alliance and has emerged as the center of excellence for Airbus A380. Having supported the Airbus A380 fleet of Etihad and their third-party customers in the Middle East, Asia, Europe and Australia. The company continues to extend its coverage of major commercial aircraft types, has now received the landmark approval of the Airbus A350 maintenance, awarded by the UAE General Civil Aviation Authority. Etihad Airways Engineering Chief Executive Officer Abdul Khalik Saeed said, "Building one of our positions as a center of excellence for Boeing 787 and Airbus A380, we are now ready to support the A350 fleet of our customers from around the world." Our A350 capability demonstrates our commitment in providing comprehensive aircraft maintenance and engineering solutions for all our major aircraft types under one roof. Our investment is developing a 350 maintenance capability, recognizing the growing global demand for services on this aircraft type. Focused over the upcoming years, it is also a reflection of the trust, confidence that valued customers such as Latam place one of their expertise at workmanship of our multinational team at Etihad Airways Engineering. Etihad recently reduced its A350 order by a massive of 42 aircrafts. The airline is now left with only 20 plane orders. I'd love to conclude my video by saying that each and every day the number of Airbus A350s coming into service, it is increasing day by day, and there's going to be more need to service this kind of aircraft. And with the kind of Etihad maintenance engineering team coming into the play, this will also be a major influential part in making sure that the aviation industry becomes safer and safer. Once again, I'd love to thank you for watching my video, and also feel free to comment, subscribe and like.